Madison County in northwestern Illinois until 9 p.m. At 8:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near north to Scales Mound, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Lena, Stockton, Warren, Pearl City, Woodbine, Scales Mound, Apple River, Winslow, Nora, Shyville, Massac, Lauren, Kent, Leroy, Damascus, Lake Lackawanna State Park, Apple River Canyon State Park, Stockton Airport, and Elmville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.